Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to take you along as we decorate this Christmas tree. So our family is going to go ahead and do the same look on our Christmas tree as last year with the red and white. So I thought it would be fun to share a new look so you don't have to see the same tree being decorated again this year. So I went ahead with a blue color palette. I saw these really beautiful blue ribbons at Hobby Lobby and that gave me the inspiration for this look. I only purchased the ribbons and then everything else I already had. So I'm going to take you through step by step and we are going to decorate this Christmas tree in pops of blue. Let's get started. All right, the very first thing I did was take the tree out, fluff it up, pull apart all the branches, and then I did put the lights on. This is not a pre-lit tree. That's just my preference. You can save a lot of money by not getting a pre-lit tree and then you don't have to worry about the lights on the tree breaking and not knowing how to fix it. So I put all the lights on the tree and the next thing I'm going to do is space out these giant white poinsettias throughout. And the reason I do this first is just because of their size. I want to make sure they get evenly dispersed.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is
the next thing I'm going to do is run this beautiful blue ribbon in a zigzag pattern throughout. So I'm going to use this as my first ribbon. Because I'm choosing that pattern, it makes sense to do it before the ornaments. So I'm going to go ahead and get this ribbon on.
Everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to.
As you can see, I'm simply just taking these strips of ribbon and tucking it like I like. I have an entire video that I'll link up in the cards and in the description box on how to put ribbon on your Christmas tree in a bunch of different ways. I'm going to use two different types of ribbon on this tree. Right now I'm starting with the shorter pieces. They're probably like a little over 12 inches. And then as I go down this tree, I'm going to use slightly bigger pieces as the tree gets wider.
Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
This is typically the point in which I would add my large picks. I may even add them before the ribbon. Some of mine are very large on my regular tree, but I only have a few of these silver ones for this tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them now kind of sporadically. Again, I don't have a lot of these. You would probably use a couple more if this was gonna be your tree.
Close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la
And now I have these little snowflake ornaments that I'm gonna hang throughout, and I'm gonna space them all throughout the tree.
Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's?
Next, I'm going to use my second set of ribbon. This is a really beautiful glitter ribbon, and I am going to do this in what I call the curl ribbon. This is my favorite. It's very simple to do. You just wrap the ribbon around your hands like this, pull it apart, and then you tuck it into your tree like that.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Next, I'm going to hang some ornaments. These are 3 different colors, and I'm going to take these shiny ones and I'm going to hang them further into the tree so that they reflect and they take up space in some of the empty spaces. So if you have something super reflective, it's great to hang it inside your tree so you can see it's a little tucked back there.
Supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
The last thing I'm going to do is I years ago bought these giant glitter branches, I think at Hobby Lobby, and I cut them up into small pieces so that you could stick them throughout the tree. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these throughout, and then I think we will have our finished look.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
That is the final look for this tree. I love how it turned out. I feel like it has a very pretty icy white, silver, blue look. That would be really pretty. If that's the decor style that you're gonna do for all of your Christmas decor, you could really easily incorporate a lot of silver, gold, and blue, and this would be such a pretty look. So I definitely love how shimmery it came out, and I hope you enjoyed decorating this tree with me. I'm going to include a couple pictures, and then I will see you in the next one where we will decorate our house and our tree in our traditional red colors. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
So I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.